Friends, today I am going to tell you excellent strategy. A rare people might be telling you. Normally I set up a process, then I explain a live chart or chart so you have better clarity. I have given my mail ID, mobile, WhatsApp number is there. For any query you can ask me. I am a trader and investment advisor in long term equity. NSE has awarded me in 2019 for level 1 certification because I got NSE certification, technical fundamentals and options, as well as I am certified research analyst. This GAN fan trading strategy has to be used by experienced trader which have done trading intraday for 5 years. For a beginner it will be difficult, so I advise they can do paper trade or they can practice it. Once they become experienced trader they can use it. Time frame for trade is 30 minutes 1 hour. Trade setup: the stock market is in bull or bear. Trade with primary trend and good liquidity with volume. Trading time I already told, 9:20 am to 11:30 am and 1:40 pm to 2:40 pm. This strategy should be avoided in range bound or sideways market, that is usually 11:30 am to 1:40 pm. You can take a rest in this period. This is my advice. GAN fan strategy. What is GAN fan strategy? GAN fan strategy is a complex support and resistance trading strategy that uses diagonal support and resistance levels. This unlike the traditional horizontal support and resistance, GAN fan angles are mathematically calculated based on the price, time and the price range of market. One of the main reasons GAN fan angles are superior to the horizontal support and resistance is that the financial market are geometric in their movements. This means that if you can spot a pattern or any other geometric shape in chart, then there is a high probability you can spot them at the GAN fan and angle. According to the GAN theory, financial market moves as a result of human behavior, which makes them cyclical in nature. In other words, history is a good predictor of future price action. You should aware of GAN fan indicator. So I am going to tell what is GAN fan indicator, how you have to use it. This indicator is a unique indicator because it draws diagonal support and resistance at all different angles. I will show you 9 different angles on the diagram. The most important angle line is 45 degree or 1 by 1 line. Every GAN angle there is a line that is divided from that angle. So levels, those 9 levels have been mentioned here. You can see at the down. I have drawn Gann fan on ICICI Bank 15 minutes chart. I will show you today how you have to draw. You can see. You don't need to use any indicator. This is only one you are going to use, and you already understand this strategy is really useful and profitable strategy. How to draw a Gann angle? In this section I am going to tell how to draw a Gann angle. Before that, you first need to draw 45-degree angle, and the most sophisticated trading platform you have incorporated tools. I will show you on investing. You can locate the trend angle tool on the left hand side panel. You see it is here, left hand side panel. Then here you can see Gann fan. So we have to use this, Let's go on the next chart. This I will tell you on investing chart. I will show live demo. The next step, to select any major swing high or swing low on the chart from where you want to draw the Gann fan angles. Once you have chosen your swing low point, simply utilize the trend angle tool and draw a 45-degree angle. Once you are done, you need to learn how to draw the Gann fan angle. On this step, you need to use Gann fan indicator, which is again located on the left hand side of the panel. I will show. This is here, you can see. Panel. Now all you have to do this is simple place the Gann fan indicator on the chart. Make sure it overlays on the top of the 45-degree line you previously have drawn. This is correct way to draw Gann fan angles. If you have following all the steps, all other Gann fan angles should comply with Gann rules. Gann fan strategy, how you have to use. First, you have to pick a significant high, draw a Gann angles and wait for one by one line to break the upside. Note, draw the Gann fan angle at above mentioned process. Step 2, wait for above 2 by 1 Gann angle before buying the market. This step is significantly important because a reversal of the previous trend is confirmed once the 2 by 1 Gann angle is broken to the upside. You want to buy the market as soon as we break above line. Note, buy once 2 by 1 angle is broken. The third step, apply again Gann fan indicator on the swing low prior to the breakout above 2 by 1 Gann fan angle. This your trade is open, but you still need to determine where to place your protective stop loss and take the profit order, which brings you to take the step of Gann fan trading. Fourth step, place your protective stop loss below the most recent swing low, which you should align with the point from where you should draw the second set of Gann angles. The best Gann fan strategy has very clear levels where we should place a protective stop loss order, which is right below the swing low located to the 1 by 2 up gain angle breakout. This is really important. Take a profit once you break and close below the 1 by 1 line. We need to choose close below 1 by 1 line to be buy at least 20 pips to consider a valid breakout. You can take your things. I want to write new trend as per as possible. With the help of Ganfan, we can pinpoint idle time to take profit. We take profit symptom of market weakness, which is break below 1 by 1 line. These signal possible start of bearish move. So this what I shown you bullish move that I shown in Aurobindo Pharma stock today. I will show you live hive to draw, so it will be easy for you. So today when the market was closed, I taken Aurobindo Pharma stock. The above example was buy. Use the same but in reverse to sell trade. In figure below you can see an actual sell trade example using best Ganfan strategy. Simply you should follow how to Ganfan indicator section to draw the Ganfan angle. This is best Ganfan strategy because unlike traditional support and resistance, the Gan angles can pinpoint significant changes in the market swings. You see, this is a short rate. Now I will show you on investing chart. Let me go to investing chart. You see how to draw. I will show live, so it will be easy for you. Otherwise that will be difficult for you. Let me go investing.com. This is investing.com. I am going to open Aurobindo Pharma. Aurobindo AUROBI Aurobindo Pharma. I will delete this, so I will start from the first. You see from here, once you identify, this is 15-minute chart. The stock is Aurobindo Pharma. You see, you have to see the uptrend. Once the stock is going uptrend, you have to see swing low or swing high. Anything you have on those two places. You go here and you can see here trend angle. You see trend angle. You take in this here and you draw. You put here. Let me go again. Trend angle. Then this I should take here because from here there is a trend change, and I will draw. You see it is showing, so it should be, I have to adjust this to 40. You see it is 40, so I will leave this here. Okay, now I will use Ganfan indicator. Let me go here, Ganfan. This is Ganfan. I will place here. Let's say this stock is in uptrend. I will put here and I will draw. This center line will go on the 45 degree. You see here Now you see, this is the picture. So like in forward direction, you see it is on one by one. Once it touches one by one, then again it goes stop. So I have to put stop loss of the previous, and you can buy it here and this level. This stock is 674 and it had gone up to 709. So you see, like here also, you see here, let's say, because this is an uptrend, so you have to try. You see here, this is right trade. This point also you see, if you turn this on 45 degree, you see if it touches here, then again it goes. If does this, then again come back. So these are support resistance, but these are better. Okay, so I will remove this all I shown you. Let me remove all indicators. I am showing also, it will be easy for you to understand. Remove. Now I will to ICICI Bank. You see, I will take on 50-minute chart. Okay, now let me go through 30-minute chart. Then again I will take 15-minute chart. You see, now I will try again angle. Let's see, this is trend angle. I draw here Gann fan. You see, this is, once I identify, I have to make it on 45. See, this is 45. Okay, on this point, then I will use Gann fan. I draw here. I have to put this line at the center. You see, so like you see, you can take this is, you see the pattern, it is touching, then again going. From here you can short one by one, you take the profit from here. So by that way, you see here also it touches, you put a stop loss buy, then here you can short. So you see, you have seen the behavior. So this is the right Gann fan. So this is example I shown you. I have taken trade on Gann fan. Accuracy is very good, and the beauty of this, you don't need to use any other indicator. Once you practice it like Fibonacci, it will be easy for you. So but this is price behavior, human behavior. So the trade failure chances are, let's say you buy here because it touches, this is support, this is resistance, this is resistance, then again this is support, this is support. So this will come this, then again it will go down. So that way it is price behavior. So this will give much more accuracy than the support and normal support and resistance. So friends, I will go again my PPT. Let me go to PPT again. So I have shown you Gann fan. Let me come. I will let you know some more strategies. So I have already covered the technical analysis complete on my best knowledge. Then I covered price action trading part 1, price action trading part 2, where you don't need to use any indicators. Then indicators combination, I shared you a lot of strategies on indicators. Then I shared you Fibonacci with trend line. Then I share you Gann fan today. So whatever suits you can use. Friends, this is my request. Please share this video and tell your friends to subscribe so they can also learn. You know, the problem in stock market trainings are very costly, and it is very difficult for a person to to spend such kind of money, and even if he has to give 1 month time, so it will be really difficult. So please subscribe, press bell icon. In case of any query or support required, you can call me between 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. I am available. Please take a training from NSE certified trainer. Ask his certificate number so you know the person is authentic. In stock market, a lot of people, they don't know. They have learned from YouTube or by any other way. They show their profits by practice or something, even if they don't share their monthly income statement. So this is the problem. First you have to build the concept, then do paper trading, get trained by experienced NSE certified trainer. You can take it. NSE Academy is also providing training. You can join there. I don't have any problem. But short of knowledge is really dangerous. Please do paper trade, talk to other traders, use the stop loss always, use trailing stop loss. Do not trade on sideways range bound market. Try to do trade from 9:30 to 11. Close the laptop. Don't sit in front of terminal for longer time. Thank you, friend. Thanks. Have a nice evening. Thanks a lot. I will let you know some more strategies, but I already covered 99% technical analysis. So any query, any support, you can shoot up a mail, you call me. Thank you. Thank you.